Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Tech Matrix. This is your host Bharat, and today we're going to be checking out a cool little device from TP-Link. It's the Deco Wi-Fi router. Let's check it out. The Deco M5 costs 29,999 INR for India and $299 for the rest of the world. But there are plenty of deals. You can get up to 30% off from the links in the description below. So check that out. It comes in one color of matte white. The packaging is standard and comes in this slide out box. And inside the box you get an RJ45 Ethernet cable which is flat, 3 decos and 3 Type-C adapters, and some warranty cards and manuals are present as well. The Deco M5s are made of matte plastic surface, which they could have given some dark colors, but as of now only white is available. This is a very minimalistic device without many ports at the back. You get 2 gigabit ports and 1 Type-C port for power. You also get a reset button on each and an LED on top to figure out the status. Based on preference, if you need many ports, then you should stick to your standard routers. The Deco M5 has a quad-core processor for each unit and has 4 internal antennas and comes with Bluetooth 4.2 and is IPv6 compatible. And also it's a small circular cube, 120 mm in diameter and just 38 mm thick, and it's very light at just 220 grams in weight. The setup is so easy and it's just a breeze. All you need is an Android or an iOS device, works on tablets or phones, and a Deco M5. Connect the M5 with the provided Type-C adapter and use the Ethernet cable to connect to the modem. Once done, just install the Deco app from the Play Store and register or log into your TP-Link account and wait for the LED to pulse blue. Once ready, open the app and keep your Bluetooth switched on. The app will search for the Deco and get connected. First time it will ask you to create a network name and password, so provide that. It will start creating the Wi-Fi in a few minutes. It's done. And next you can either add a second Deco or complete the process. I will add another Deco in the kitchen. For any additional ones, you just have to put them on par and ensure the LED is pulsing blue on the new Deco and hit add. It will quickly get connected and I will name it kitchen here. And one last one in the bedroom, same setup, check the status, hit add and it will prompt for the name and choose from the list and hit enter, and that's pretty much it and you are ready to go. I got a firmware update on the first connect, so it's pretty easy. Just hit the update button and the app takes care of the rest. Now let's take a look at the feature it provides. First, parental controls. It's a most sophisticated one. You can create profiles for each one of your kids or teens or adults and allow certain categories also based on a specific time as well. You can also block internet at bedtime completely, and you also get 3 years of built-in free antivirus powered by Trend Micro, which is a great addition to the package. You can also share the network by just shaking the phone, and you get blacklist to block any devices you want, and host of other settings in advance like turning off the LED at night. Also you can connect to IFTTT and Alexa and can do some cool stuff, like if you have an Amazon Echo, you could just say to turn off night mode, or IFTTT create some automatic trigger profiles on your desktops. And it also comes with QoS for prioritizing devices that you want. The Deco shifts between 400 Mbps on 2.4 GHz and 867 Mbps on 5 GHz automatically to get you the fastest speed available, so you won't need to actually switch anything manually. Also, just to show you the signal strength, here is the strength in the living room on a standard router which is placed in just the living room area, and a Deco Next which is also near. Both are almost in the similar place, but moving to the kitchen area about 20 feet. Now checking on a standard router here, you can clearly see the Deco M5 has a stronger network. And finally inside the bedroom, again 20 feet in a different direction. Again, it's a Deco which is performing much better. The Deco with 3 units can in fact cover almost 4,500 square feet easily. You can also pick up additional single Deco and expand as many as you want. Now the only drawback is the price tag. It's pretty costly affair. But it's a tad cheaper and better than Google Wi-Fi currently, and it's just hassle-free and comes with so many features. So if you have the money, go for this. So guys, what do you think about the TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi router? Did you like them, hate them? Well, whatever it is, tell me in the comment sections below. And also do let us know what Wi-Fi routers you use. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you have not already done so for more such geeky videos. This is Bharat, and talk to you guys in the next one.